Hubspace 2.0 Smart Home Platform, what buyers need to know before choosing compatible smart devices. Hubspace 2.0 improves cross-brand smart home integration, lighting, automation, and security, offering flexible, no-rewiring solutions for long-term compatibility. What is Hubspace 2.0? Hubspace 2.0 app controls Home Depot smart devices, enabling software-defined lighting, flexible automation, and cross-device interaction beyond wiring limits. Why this matters to buyers? Hubspace Connect enables virtual three-way switches, multi-room control, always online bulbs, no rewiring, and future-proof smart lighting setups. How Vacation Mode works. Vacation Mode randomizes lights and plugs hourly, supports grouping or independent control, and simulates whole home presence with thermostats and locks. Why Vacation Mode matters for buyers. If security is a priority, Vacation Mode provides a more realistic deterrent than basic schedules without requiring additional subscriptions or third-party apps. Key security highlights. Afero delivers enterprise-grade security with certified encryption, identity management, and device authentication, protecting data and smart homes long-term. Buyer tip: Hubspace manages device setup, advanced lighting logic, and security at the platform level, while Alexa and Google Assistant act as voice and ecosystem layers on top. Final thoughts: why platform choice matters before you buy? Hubspace 2.0 proves platform-first smart homes deliver better compatibility, lighting, security, and scalability.
Go to GearBrain for more information.